Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tool reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every lawn enthusiast, the best mower blade sharpener drill attachment kit on the market. If you're tired of struggling with dull mower blades, this might just be your solution. Stay tuned as we explore the features, benefits, and performance of this tool from start to finish. Meet the Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener Drill Attachment Kit by Chesson. Designed to breathe new life into your mower blades, this kit promises efficiency and ease of use. Let's delve into why this is touted as the best option out there. First up, durability and efficiency. The kit features a heavy-duty corundum stone that's built to last, capable of sharpening blades of any size with ease. It's accompanied by a blade balancer, ensuring your blades are perfectly balanced for smooth, precise cuts. And let's not forget the gardening gloves included, providing protection as you work. Installation is a breeze, taking just seconds to set up on both power and hand drills. No complicated setup or tools required. The straightforward instructions mean you can get professional-grade results without the hassle, saving you time and effort. When it comes to performance, this kit shines. High-quality sharpening stones get your blades razor-sharp in under 10 minutes, making tedious manual sharpening a thing of the past. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional landscaper, the efficiency of this attachment is sure to impress. Worried about longevity? Chesson offers a lifetime warranty and a money-back guarantee, underscoring their confidence in this product. Customer service is a top priority, ensuring you can purchase with confidence. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your lawn care game, the Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener Drill Attachment Kit by Chesson is a solid investment. Its durability, ease of use, and impressive performance make it our top pick for mower blade sharpeners. Say goodbye to dull blades and hello to pristine lawns with this essential tool. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tool reviews and expert advice. Have any questions or want to share your experience with this product? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.